Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a location to your snaps on Snapchat. Whether you want to tag your favorite spot or just let your friends know where you are, I've got you covered. So, let's get started. First, you need to make sure your phone's location services are turned on. On an iPhone, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and tap on Location Services. Make sure it's turned on. On an Android, go to Settings, then Location, and switch it on. Once that's done, you're ready to move on. Now, open the Snapchat app. Once you're in, take a snap, either a photo or a video, just like you normally would. After taking your snap, you'll see a bunch of options on the right-hand side. Tap on the sticker icon. It looks like a little square with a folded corner. Now, you'll see a list of different stickers, but we're looking for the location sticker. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar at the top and type in location. Once you tap on the location sticker, Snapchat will show you nearby locations based on where you are. Simply select the location you want, and it will appear on your snap as a sticker. You can resize, move, or rotate it however you like. Now that you've added your location, you can either send it to your friends or add it to your story by tapping the send button. And that's it. Your snap now includes your location. And that's how you add a location to your snaps on Snapchat. Super easy, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tricks. See you in the next video.